Hey everyone, so in today's video we will talk about how you can create your own pixel, how you can use your pixel on your course page, and what kind of audiences you can create using your pixel. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to our business tools and select Events Manager. Once it's completely loaded, you can find a Connect Data Sources option on the left side of the screen and click that. From here we will select Website, Get Started, and Facebook Pixel. Here you can name your pixel. Right now I'm just doing this for testing purpose, so I'll do this pixel 1. Hit continue. Now here you can add it manually or you can use partner integration. For now we will use install code manually. So once we are here, we will just copy the code and paste it under marketing tab on our course page here. Now if you want to publish a course, you can do that, or you can leave it as it is and you can preview your course from here. Now once you have created your pixel on your course page, you can check if it is working or not by using this Chrome extension, Facebook Pixel Helper. Now from here we can set up our different events on different pages using this event setup tool of Facebook Pixel. Here you can simply copy paste your course URL, open website. Here on your course page you will see there are different options available. There are different buttons which you can track, and let's say if we want to track this proceed to payment button, we will create a new event for this one. First we will click on track new button, select the button, and then we will just select the event. For now I will just use add to cart and confirm. Once this is done, you will notice that this add to cart option is added to all the buttons with proceed to payment option on them. First one is here, second one is here, this one, and this one. Now let me just give you a quick overview of adding new events like initiate to checkout and purchase on next pages of this course page. So on this new page, this checkout page, you can create a new event on this pay button. To create that, we will just click on this track new button and select the button, and again select the event. Here we will select initiate checkout and confirm. For the last page of this whole funnel, we will create a purchase event on the success page of this course. For that, we will just click here. Now here you can see that there is no specific button we can track for our purchase event. So what we will do is we will track a specific URL, this one, the success URL. For that, we'll click here and just select an event, purchase, and confirm. So this purchase event is actually equals to the success page of your course. So for now what we have covered is how you can create your own pixel, how you can integrate your pixel in your course page, and how you can create specific events on your course page using Facebook Pixel event tool. Now let's move on to the audiences and how you can use pixel data to create custom audiences and lookalike audiences. For that, just click over here, business tools and audiences. Now to create your first custom audience, click here on create audience and click on the custom audience option. Here you will find different options. For now we will use website. Here you can see that our data source is test pixel 1. These are all the events options that are available, all website visitors, people who visit a specific web page. Here you can select the time duration and simply can name your audience whatever you want. For now I'll just use test audience 1 and create. Once this is done, you can use this custom audience to create a lookalike audience. Simply click here and create a lookalike audience. Now from here you can select your location. From here you can choose your audience size if you want to go with 1%, 2% or all the way to 10%. Right now I'm going to choose just 1% and create a lookalike audience. Done. So now we have created a custom audience from our website and a lookalike audience from this custom audience. Now let's say if we want to use our customer database to create a custom audience based on that. Let's say you want to use your customer list to create an audience. For that you will go here on customer list. Next. Here you will find all the details on how to prepare your customer list. And if all this feels kinda overwhelming, you can simply download the template from here and follow the guidelines of the template to create your customer list. Now if you're wondering how to populate your customer list, you can simply go to your course page and in the dashboard you will find an option by enrollment. Here you will find all the emails of the users that have enrolled for your course. So now before I end this video, I would like to give you a small tip. When you are advertising for your course, always spend around 30% of your total sales on your ads and try to spend it in small chunks rather than going all in on first attempt. So I wish you best of luck. Have a great day.